Import directly from SAP 2000 to Foundaxis. Every restrained node in SAP 2000 will be imported into Foundaxis as a load point. Your model must already be analyzed for every load combination you will use for foundation design. For an easier export, you can manually set a 3D view. Set an XZ view with 0 aperture. Now, select all restrained nodes at the base, as well as the elements directly connected to these nodes. Before exporting, make sure the selected unit system is supported by Foundaxis. Foundaxis supports Technical, Imperial, and SI unit. Go to File, Export, SAP2000.s2k text file. You have to select all model definitions tables, as well as reactions from joint output in analysis results. You only need to export these results for the load combinations used for foundation design, and only for the selected elements. Now, go to Foundaxis.com and log into your account to create a new project. Upload your .s2k file exported directly from SAP 2000. First, select the load combinations for foundation sizing. Then, select the load combinations for reinforcement design. Check the AI-powered foundation plans proposed by Foundaxis. Select your preferred configuration. You can split a mat into isolated foundations, and then manually join them to form a strip foundation. Note that some foundations are not yet optimized. Click on Optimize All Foundations. Then, click Finish, and Foundaxis will begin calculating the foundation performance for each load combination. Check the global results of bearing pressures for each load combination. You can also check detailed results for a specific foundation, including the applied forces, and display the finite element mesh. The mesh size can be modified from project settings. Display the finite elements mesh again, and check the area under compression. Now, you can proceed to the steel reinforcement design. Both foundations and pedestals are reinforced. In the geotechnical module, you can define soil layers. manually modify the layer data for each borehole. Run the geotechnical analysis to calculate pressure bulbs and soil settlements. Foundaxis automatically generates a fully detailed calculation report. The report includes stability analysis and steel reinforcement results, and even provides interaction diagrams for pedestals. Generate the bill of quantities to estimate the concrete and steel reinforcement cost for each foundation. Foundaxis also automatically generates drawings for steel reinforcement detailing. You can download these drawings in .dxf format and edit them in AutoCAD.